guys, today me and my mom are going to be making smash supper together, smash tacos for supper, because I want to be productive. So we need taco wraps and, what is it called, meat?
Ground beef.
Ground beef. Is what we need. Can I help? You come here. Do you guys like? Okay. Like and subscribe if you think Gavin should help. Gavin's good.
So today we're making snacks. I want some mittens.
And we need mittens. And we need
Okay.
gloves. This
Okay.
is very crowded.
So we need to open those. So
I
you
need-
can tear the top off.
No.
Whoa.
So what are we making, Gavin?
Smash.
Smash tacos.
Wow, is that?
That's exactly what I asked.
This is the stuff for No, don't touch it, buddy. The reason you have a glove on is to touch it with the glove, so that you don't get sick by touching it. But we're gonna just wait a minute.
Okay. I ripped it and I can't open it.
What did you guys do?
I ripped it.
Oh my god. This is not how we open them.
You told me to rip it.
Well, like, see, listen, look here. And then it leaves some parts here for us to pull it apart. That's okay.
Yeah, it's
All right.
okay.
It's okay.
It'll just be a story when someone asks how to open them.
Okay, so place these out.
How many? All of them?
Well, how many are you gonna eat?
All of
No, how many are you gonna eat?
them. Me?
Yeah.
2.
Gavin, how many are you gonna eat?
How many? One. Daddy?
3.
No, he can eat 3. 3, Mommy? 2.
You can make 2. I'll probably only have 1.
I'll do
And
2.
I have one. Is
Okay.
this one mine?
Yeah, now that you touched it with your cheesy hands, it is yours. This is Gavin's, because you can tell by the cheesy hands.
Okay, so in
Now
here
season these.
I've put some garlic powder, some onion powder.
Can I put some in?
Now we're doing some pepper.
Can
black
I put
pepper.
some in?
Well, Mommy will put the seasoning just to control
We
it a
did-
bit. You guys
What
can
type of
mix it.
okay, I can mix it.
Okay,
And
wait.
salt.
And some.
Salt.
Can
Sea
I
salt.
mix it?
Sea salt, not salt. Sea salt.
Yes, Gavin, but just give me a minute.
It has to be sea salt.
It doesn't.
Oh, okay. It has to be salt.
Okay, let's just move these a little bit out of the way. Just so that you guys
I
can
didn't
mix.
think they were allowed.
Now mix gently and carefully using your gloved hand. Let Gavin help too. You see?
Yeah. So we are doughing it,
Mixing it,
mixing it, doughing it.
kneading it, kind of. I guess.
Yeah.
So today we're playing with dough.
Okay,
So
hopefully
it's
that's seasoned enough.
Okay, so we
One sec.
mixed it
This one's
and
mine now?
we seasoned it
Okay.
and we laid out how many tacos we needed.
Okay.
And Gavin, don't touch them.
Gavin. Okay. Now you take a little ball,
A bowl
about this big,
about that big,
and hopefully we have enough.
and we
And
put
you
them.
smash it on.
Yeah, that's why they're called smash tacos. Is that why they're called smash?
Yeah, you kind of make
Can
it.
I do that?
Okay, here you pull Mommy's gloves. You can,
Like this, big,
Yeah.
this big, and you. That's fun.
Okay, perfect. And now smash it onto this one. And spread it out.
is. You'll worry about Gavin's when it comes to you. A bit of it.
We won't need. We only have some more.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
Gavin's
because
using all of
you're
it.
putting it all on one, buddy. You got to put it on a different one now.
Okay, so we are smashing on,
So see, there's two
The
buttons.
smashed
A long button and a
tacos.
short button. A short button. For me.
smashing on the
And then you go like this.
meat or
Right
the beef. I know a lot of people are probably correcting me for my pronunciation probably today, because I am pronouncing bad.
Pronouncing things bad.
Pronouncing things.
Pronunciating.
Now
Now we cook them.
cook them.
But first, let's grate some cheese.
Okay, so now we're gonna
You can
grate
take your gloves
cheese.
off.
So now we're gonna grate some cheese. They're all over there. You can see one still. But you need cheese, a plate, necessary kind of, and a grater to grate some cheese.
Do you know how to grate cheese? No.
Okay, I don't
fine.
know. Oh,
And be really careful because these are very sharp.
okay.
So hold on. Slide it down. Yeah. There you go.
Just keep doing that.
Yep.
Make sure it doesn't move. And now we're grating cheese. Now she's gonna turn on an electric frying pan, like this one right here. You can also just use like a frying pan is also fine, but we are using an electric one because then it's easier to cook more at a time. So that's why she's using an electric one. And she's using Greek yogurt.
I'm gonna make a cheeseburger smash taco for me. So I make
Oh,
the sauce
she's
out
making
of
her own smashed taco. Now we got our cheese grated. Think it's enough. Get all of it out. Wait, there's some at the top.
Okay.
So we got all our cheese.
Okay.
Feels
So we'll
really
just leave it for now.
feels like spaghetti.
Okay, so my pan is hot. I'm gonna
So-
put these on.
Her pan is hot, so now she's putting these on. And kind of smash them on. That's also probably why they're called, I don't know, honestly. But she's frying them. She faced them backwards so the beef is facing down, so she can cook the beef. And so she can cook the beef. And now she's getting a spatula again. She just put it right beside. And now she's getting a bowl to probably put the Greek yogurt. Put in-
This is a measure with your heart type situation.
Yeah, you gotta measure with your own heart. Yummy. And Greek yogurt, which I personally kind of like, but kind of don't like. See you back when the smashed tacos are done cooking. So, Mommy is making her own burger. So I'm gonna show you guys how she makes her sauce for her burger. She's making like a smash burger. And so what you need is Greek yogurt, I think. Ketchup, just ketchup. And mustard. Yellow mustard. It must be yellow mustard.
It can be whatever, but
Is how she makes it though.
and then some chopped up pickles.
Chocolate pickles. Oh, chopped up pickles too. So she's cutting up the pickles. Over here, the smashed tacos, they're doing pretty well. And now she's gonna make it. So you need ketchup.
Measure with your heart.
Measure with your heart is always what I say with vanilla.
Oh, that's probably a little too much.
Oh well. And pickles. Cut up pickles. More cut up pickles. How many pickles do you think you need to cut up?
I don't know. 2. I did 2.
So what she does is 2 pickles to cut up.
Push them down.
So now she's checking the smashed tacos and she's just pushing them down a bit with the spatula. And she's kind of just looking at what's in there.
A little longer, then we'll flip them.
A little longer and then you flip them over. So now Mommy is getting some toppings for her smash burger. And so
you guys like sour cream with your tacos?
So we serve for us, like, this is for our burger. She has some tomatoes right now and some lettuce. And for our smashed tacos, what we have is like tacos and not burgers. For our tacos, me, Daddy, and Gavin, we have some sour cream, cheese, tomatoes that she cuts up. Tomatoes she cuts up. This is also for her burger. And then this is her sauce for her burger. This is the cheese for our tacos.
Which we'll put a little bit on to melt.
Yeah, we also put a little bit of cheese on these. And then, so it just melts on there. And then we can add extra cheese if we want. But yes. I fell. That was scary.
Okay, I'm flipping.
So she's flipping them now.
It really shrunk.
Oh,
We put a little cheese.
put some cheese to melt on it. Can I put some?
Yeah. Don't touch it. Watch what you're doing. And then when the cheese is on, we
Flip it over,
Fold it over.
fold it like over it, like a taco, like that. That's our
then
smashed
we
taco.
let it cook a little. Nice.
Let it cook, and then we have to do these ones after those are done cooking. These ones, but right now we have these to cook, and then we have 2, 4, 6 more. See you guys when we cook. 2 more? I don't know. 4 more? Yeah, because you know the pattern already, so yeah. So now they're done. And we're going to set them on the supper table with the tomatoes, the lettuce, the hamburger sauce that Mommy made with you guys, and sour cream.
No way.
And the smashed tacos are the most important part. So today we learned how to make smashed tacos with each other. Like, I didn't know how to. My mom taught me. Thank you. And now we're gonna taste test. See how they taste, how much they taste good. So we're gonna take this one and we're gonna open it up. This is very cheesy. We're gonna open it up, put some cheese on. Probably a lot. It'll probably melt a bit. Okay, got cheese. Now we're gonna use some tomatoes. Kind of spread them out a bit. Just a bit more. Weird thing about me, I hate lettuce on my tacos, and I just hate lettuce. So, no lettuce. I'm gonna use some sour cream. Just dab some on, or smash some on, so it seems more like a smashed taco. Just gonna kind of spread it a bit, even though I'm not supposed to touch the spoon to this. I'm just gonna put a bit more there. And it's not really spread evenly. And that is our smashed taco. Now we're gonna taste test. So you taste test? Not that. Taste test the whole thing. Ready? Delicious. I love smashed tacos. That's my favorite supper meal. Dogs and Queens stay real teas. Bye.
He was
How's the
banging it
smash?
and everything else.
Gavin, how's the smashed taco?
Good.
10 out of 10? Bye.